Gas prices have been wild lately, but today we're gonna use math to stay in control. Hey guys, it's Ruby. We're back with another Math in the Wild, and today we're at the gas station. Why? Because I need gas. Okay, so I have a little bit more than half a tank of gas, but the real question is how much is it gonna cost me to fill up? I know that my car holds about 12.4 gallons. So we're gonna look at these tick marks and estimate how many gallons I need to fill up. So let's count how many ticks there are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 ticks. So we divide 12.4 by 10. That means that each tick is around 1.24 gallons of gas. Since we're missing 4, we're gonna multiply that by 4. That's 4.96 gallons of gas that I need to fill up. If my calculations are correct, and we multiply the amount of gallons that I need by the premium price of gas per gallon, which is 4.599, then our grand total will be around $22.80. Let's see if we're right. Parked a little far. Okay, so let's see what our grand total was. $26.42. So we were about $3 off of our estimate, which is not bad. Next time you're at the gas station, try playing that little game and seeing how much it's gonna cost you to fill up. Always cover your PIN number, children.